As the winter comes to an end, we shine light on a new season, but not before we once again hear the sounds and moments of the 2023 season.
Oh! That's game. That's a walk-off.
Please tell me. That was a
Oh.
ready for men's league, dude?
Oh! Baby, touch them all.
Touch them all.
We are up 6 now. That is 5.
Here we go. Oh, that's good. Yeah.
There was a guy on third, though, so if he missed, they get a base. Yeah. Oh, my God. No!
Oh my God. Tree me.
Where'd that go?
Trees.
That was.
Yes. Jesus, man.
Alright, good. Hold up some number ones.
That'd be sick if we did walkers.
Woohoo!
Stuff them
Oh,
Can I help you? The camera and being able to be up close like that makes it so much better. Nice pitch.
there you go, baby. There you go,
Oh,
baby.
wow, he's catching it now.
What if you missed the throw?
Yeah! Game!
Nice. There he is. Oh, what a low.
See ya.
Wow.
Victory! See ya!
Bad luck, Richard.
Yep.
Yeah.
Baby.
Yeah.
Holy
Yeah. Yo,
Oh, wow!
yeah,
sir.
boy, Quinn.
See ya. Nice pitch.
You got him in the car? Oh my God.
2 outs and inning.
There you go, baby.
Oh, there he is.
We're going to see if we cannot throw it all today.
Wow.
Go rip, baby. Go rip.
Ricky, what'd you do?
Single.
Get out of here! Yeah! Yeah! Game. Game. A walk-off.
Yeah. Come here, fence. Oh, that's a good play. Robbery. Wow. Yes, get off. Attaboy, Joe. Boom.
Finish him! Woo! Baby!
Long play.
Oh, baby! A grand slam! Let's go. Holy cow.
They were 13.
I just can't pull the trigger. Yeah.
Oh, you got
No
me
way.
kidding me.
He did not even look ready.
Oh,
I'm done anyway. Get out, bull!
Lighter bat.
Yeah. Come on. Yes.
Has Miles ever hit a home?
I just froze. Oh no.
We use the money, so the money goes for the jersey.
Out.
And
Bye.
put it towards the paint, balls, and all that.
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
This is your lead.
That might have been one from yesterday.
Fake. Fake.
Straight 3 ones are better.
Is that 30? Yeah.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
He's hot.
Oh boy.
See ya.
Good lord.
Wow.
Go get that.
Yeah, baby. Come on.
Oh, Gretzky.
Hey. A boy.
Big one.
Too. And we were humming it in there.
Oh my.
Go get that.
Wow.
Oh
yeah, solid.
That's a tie game.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Tie that up, baby. Let's go.
Flop. What?
Belly flop.
Let's go.
Cowboy
yeah.
Soul.
Oh.
Go in there.
They have Hunter. That's it. Hunter's their only pitcher. And there's like Mike Warner.
And he's mid.
Yes, get out.
Yeah.
Get out.
Fair ball.
Fair ball.
Let's go. That's 5, right?
Yeah, that's 5 now.
Sweet.
I thought you were gonna
Get there. Come here, fence. Atta boy. Oh! Yes, Whitey! Gotta run. Get running, baby.
Good thing you hit the soccer.
Brown, Ty Maggio.
Yo, that was intentional.
There it is again. Get out!
I know those two.
Yes!
Strout.
Oh yeah.
Foul.
That's fair.
Foul.
That is fair.
Oh, wow.
Game heading over to the bottom of the second. Hunter Willett, get off me, ball.
This time around, he didn't. He gave up 5 runs in the first inning. That was the only out he recorded. Wiegert.
Nonetheless, 2-0. Willett back to the mound. Gonna strike out to Zembo to start the inning, and then Wiegert gonna face the exact same fate. Willett.
Who has been hot as of late, but no bigger swing than that one right here. Down to their last out with 2 on after a couple walks, and Chaldros gonna sit him down. Grizzlies, a couple walks. Rescott's gonna take one deep and gone. Puts the sword away.
On the board. Parentino, though, gonna go down swinging. He rarely lets a fastball get by him. Unfortunately for Mason Brown, drops it in for a strikeout for Nardacci, and then the slider's going to sit down. Samard down to their last strike, bases loaded. Kaboom! And there you have it. Tie ball. Yash going to walk 3 straight. Yash went to the wrong base. No problem, though, because Ferguson looking like a young boy at the candy shop with no money. Dominated all game long. Yep. He does put down Kasuba for some heroics once again, but this time he is no luck there. He's been hot so far in the series, and he's going to lead things off with a bomb to left. Samard would walk, Yash would walk, Kasuba would walk, and then, another. Wolves got all those runs with a third. Houston, we have liftoff. Exit.
Older buildings that they had there on campus.
Boy, come on.
Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, baby.
boy.
Oh, smoke.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gabe. Come on.
There you go, baby.
Get out, ball. Come on, let's go. Get out, ball. To find me for ball.
Oh, no way.
So how do you feel about George Bush saying that?
There you go, baby.
I feel bad.
Yes.
Where are they?
Oh!
Keegan!
Oh!
Buckle. A knee.
Yeah. Oh! Get out. Yeah. Go.
Go. Oh my God.
Stop! Stop!
Let's go!
Until that last out. Oh, which is right now.
Swing. Foul ball.
There you have
Season,
it,
guys.
ladies and gentlemen. Bandits win for the second year in a row. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching the.
That's bad luck right there. Attaboy! Pitching the lead. You said it. I mean, it's called the electrifier. That's right. Oh yeah!
Oh, there he is. There he is.
Yeah, I think they should.
You on the vault next?
Oh yeah.
Get out.
Golden sombrero.
That's a sombrero, right?
Oh my God!
That's for the face of the wall. That's why that's.
Oh, that's there.
Oh yeah.
JC, just gotta be 1 for 2. Yup, see ya. Thank you.
It was like 1.5 for a while. I think he was.
He's at least like 2'7".
I think he was
2'6".
second. Me, Matt, and Ant versus you, Wormuth, and JD. That was a long time. That was.
There's game.